Today we're going to make a kidney-friendly Gala apple cake that is just as delicious as it looks, and I enjoyed making it so much, and I hope you enjoy it too. Look how light and delicious it is. At the end, we're going to taste it and see if it turns out the way I think it will. Hello everyone, welcome back to Renal Diet HQ. I'm Mathia Ford, a registered dietitian, and today we're going to make a Gala apple cake. It is perfect for those with chronic kidney disease, either pre-dialysis or dialysis, because it's low in potassium and sodium, and it makes a delicious treat. So for the Gala apple cake we're going to make today, we have eggs, sugar, flour, oil, orange juice, apples, cinnamon, vanilla, and baking powder. Okay, first we're going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. All right, next step is to spray the pan with some nonstick cooking spray to make sure the cake doesn't stick. All right, now we're going to peel and core and cut the apples, either into slices or chunks, it doesn't matter. Apples are great for a kidney disease diet because they're low in potassium and they have a lot of beneficial fiber. To keep it from getting too brown while we're making the other ingredients, I'm going to squeeze a little lemon juice on the apples, and that keeps them from browning. We'll take out the seeds when we make the apples. Now that we've cut the apples, we're going to take 1/3 cup of the sugar and my cinnamon. Okay, so I'm going to mix these together. The cinnamon makes a delicious addition to the cake and makes it warm. I think it gives a warm flavor. So this is going to go right onto the apples. We're going to mix it around until they're all coated. Now we're going to mix together all the rest of the ingredients for the Gala apple cake. We're going to put them all in the bowl, use my mixer, mix it up, and then pour it in the pan. All right, now we're going to put it in the oven to cook for 75 minutes. Bakes for a while so that we can get those delicious apples nice and soft. All right, now it's time to take the Gala apple cake out of the oven. All right, our cake looks perfect. Let's check for doneness. I like to take a knife and kind of stick it into the middle. Nothing on it. So it's all done, and let's take a bite. All right, here's our beautiful Gala apple cake. Look at those delicious layers with the apples in the middle and golden toasty outside, nice crumbly inside. Oh, it looks so good. I can't wait to taste it. This Gala apple dessert is a delicious and kidney-friendly recipe, but also just a healthy apple cake that you can make for any time of the year. Oh, those apples are so flavorful with that cinnamon. It's so good. And the cake itself is delicious and light. Everybody's gonna love this recipe.